I received Logitech's MX Master 3S mouse and we're going to unbox it in this video. I've been using Logitech's older M525 wireless mouse for the past 5 years. It's done the job decently, and it's about time that I finally upgrade to something that's more ergonomic friendly on my wrist and also helps me be more productive at my day job as a full-time project manager. So I'm going from this mouse to this mouse. By the way, everything I'm referencing in this video is linked in the description bar down below for you to check out. I purchased the graphite version of the mouse because I had heard others experience discoloration using the white version over time, and I wanted to avoid that at all costs. Plus, the graphite look will match the black coloring scheme on my wrist pad and my overall desk setup. But first things first, I really love the packaging design of the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. As an engineer and a project manager myself, I really appreciate the dark color and the aesthetic look of it. On the top right corner, we see that one of its key features is its quote-unquote mag speed for ultra fast scrolling. Let's flip it to the right side and we see here that this mouse can be quickly charged in 1 minute for 3 hours of use. That's pretty darn impressive, don't you think? This mouse is completely Bluetooth and it doesn't even require any batteries. I hate with a complete passion having to switch out batteries when I'm using my own equipment because it just dies on me. So this already is a must-have for me. On the back of the box are all the features of the mouse, which are actually very impressive. This mouse is compatible across so many operating systems. You have Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, iPad OS, and Android. Other features here are the mouse's comfort, the support, what's called quiet click technology, and being able to use it on a glass surface with its 8000 DPI sensor. Ooh, I honestly have no idea what that means, so let's skip that for now. The biggest reason why I'm purchasing this mouse is because it's designed to speed up your workflow when you're using app-specific profiles with the Logi Options Plus software from their website. When we open up the box, here's what we get. Once we open up the black box inside, we finally see the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse and the Logibolt USB receiver. And at the very bottom is a small enclosed packaging. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. We have the instructions and the USB-C quick charging cable. So here's everything that you're going to get inside the box. We have the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse, the instructions, a USB-C charging cable, and its receiver. Now let's take a closer look at the mouse. I personally love how the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse just feels in the palm of my hand. It fits perfectly and it's extremely comfortable. It really does feel premium and very high quality. The scroll wheel just flows very smoothly with no issues at all. Not only that, but all the buttons on the side and the left scroll wheel are extremely easy to reach with your thumb. I also love that you can easily press these 2 buttons on the side, or you can even switch to the horizontal scrolling wheel. When we flip the mouse onto its bottom, we see the button to turn it on with using the Bolt receiver to using Bluetooth technology. And on the very bottom is the button to switch between computers. All right, so let's do a quick comparison. On the left side of the screen is my old Logitech M525 wireless mouse, and on the right side is my new Logitech MX Master 3S mouse. You can already tell that there's a huge difference in quality, build, and stability. Let's test out real quickly how it compares with its quiet click technology. Here's what my older mouse sounds like. And here's what the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse sounds like. It sounds very quiet, right? I really love this quiet clicking sound, and it's so much more satisfying to hear instead of that clickety clack of the previous mouse that I was using. So without a doubt, I'm very impressed by the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse, and I just can't wait to use it. If you'd like to grab one for yourself, be sure to check out the links in the description bar down below. Now I plan on doing a deeper dive review of the Logitech MX Master 3S mouse after I've used it for a few months. Now to see what my desk setup looks like using this mouse, watch this video next, and I'll see you in the next video.